Thomas Scholten, the Clandestine Chef Experience. Welcome to my home kitchen. Today's session, we're going to be talking about poultry and how to make a foolproof presentation every time. Whether you make chicken on your weeknight meal or your holiday Thanksgiving turkey, this is a fail-safe method for assuring the perfect presentation. So, here we go. We have today a nice roasting chicken, and we're going to take fresh fruit. In this case, I'm using lime and a little lemon. Now we're going to cut the fruit pieces, slice them, cut them in half, like so. And then we're going to simply stuff them into the cavity of the chicken. Now always remember to wash your hands when cooking with chicken, turkey, or any poultry. Now what the fruit does to any poultry meat is that it permeates itself throughout the meat from the inside out, so that you get a very moist and tangy flavor throughout the bird. Next, we're going to take fresh sage, which you can get in your grocery store. This came out of my garden today. And we're going to stuff that into the cavity like so. And this is what gives the chicken or poultry the sweet, citrus, and savory effect you want. In addition, take a little sprig of thyme and rosemary to give it the complexity of flavor. So simple, so easy. We just put it in here. Now what I like to do, because we live in the West, is we can take one of my Thai chilies, my super hot Thai chilies from my garden, or a jalapeno from my garden, to give the bird just a little touch of spiciness in here and heat if you like it. You don't have to do this, but it's a nice touch. Now, we have the bird. How simple was that, right? Now we're going to take a little olive oil, and I'm going to take a pastry brush here. And we're going to just brush some olive oil over the top to give the bird a little crust. And olive oil works from the outside in to help moisturize the chicken in this case. And then we're going to top it off with a little salt, pepper, and garlic mixture. Simple salt and pepper will work just fine, but this helps give it an extra glaze. And there you have it. Let's stick this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. If you have a meat thermometer, you want to look toward 155 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. But I think if you cook at about 30 to 35 minutes, you're going to be fine. Remember, you can use this for turkey, for chicken, you can use it for quail, pheasant, any game bird, and it always comes out perfectly. I'm Tom Scholten with the Clandestine Chef Experience. Buon appetito and salute!